So things I'm excited about in the Dapr open source project. One is I want to tell you about Dapr Workflows, scalable, durable execution runtime that allows you to coordinate a lot of different microservices architecture. It's very it's a code first based workflow engine, allows you to build long running durable execution that can call across all your different services. Scalable and designed for developers. You can visualize your workflows, and this is very exciting development. And then on top of that, on top of the durable workflow engine, the Dapr Workflows, we've built Dapr Agents. Dapr Agents is, if I think about what an agent framework is, it's another way of calling distributed applications with smart. And distributed applications, have long needed to be able to do communication, durable execution, and all the things that are required that you find inside the Dapr framework today. So Dapr Agents allows you to build agentic systems that have intelligence and learning on top of them all. And inside those Dapr Agents, you can provide them a set of tools. So I would love for you to go and check out Dapr Agents, how you can build these tool-based agents that can call onto other services. They can integrate with any language model of your choice. They built on durable workflows, so you get a long-running durable execution around them all. And we believe that the Python execution now is the beautiful runtime with Dapr Agents, but you'll see on top of that versions of this coming out for .NET, Java, and C# in the near future. Check out Dapr Agents. I think you as a developer will love them.